So, hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's my first video that I'm posting right now. It is the biggest video on my channel right now. So this is gonna be on the topic of long distance relationship, like what are the problems you suffer and what are the causes why you suffer that problems and the solutions. I know the solutions will be not that much alright, that much you can say it will be like bookish language, but I think these solutions gonna be at least 70% to 80% perfect for daily life. Cause I suffered, I was in long distance relationship, so right now I know what to do, what to know. Simply. So we will first go with the problems, like what are the daily basic problems that a couple suffer. So in my case, I used to suffer a lot, like that person was outside of my country, so I used to suffer a lot in the time management, in daily life routine, in communication and misunderstanding. So I think you guys should like focus on time, communication, understanding, misunderstandings. Then, oh yeah, one more thing, like you have to focus on the priorities. If you're not giving priority to your partner, then someone else will give priority, time, attention, support, everything. Please understand that you need to provide priority. I know the basic thing I just saw, when there is a basic rule that a person who is left behind, who is still in that particular time zone that that person used to like call or video call or text, that person will not able to move on. The person who left outside for outside, he will change, she will change, but the person who is staying at the particular same time zone and same country right now, the routine in her or his mind will be same. So you can't be like, oh, you have to change because we are staying outside, the time zone is different, the place is different, we need to take a lot of time to change. Of course you guys need to take a lot of time to change, but understand that the person staying behind right now gonna suffer a lot more than the person who is moving outside, cause the person right now who is there will be in that routine only, the routine you just left that person. You can't be like you have to change according to us, you can't be like that. You have to make it clear, you have to make them understand, stop your habits and schedules according to them, because otherwise the person who is staying in that particular thing right now he gonna or she gonna suffer a lot. There will be a lot of misconceptions, a lot of ego. The ego problem gonna be the main problem, because the couple suffer ego, a lot of ego. Like if we are like in the normal relationship, the person is front of me and we are like having something arguments or fights, we will be like, I don't want to talk to you. He will be like, yeah, I don't want to talk to you too. Then we will like just look at each other and we will like, okay, we will be like normal, we will be smiling, we will be laughing. Why are you doing this to me? Please stop it. Okay, sorry. The end. That's it. Clearing out everything in front of each other. But in long distance, you can't clear everything. You will suffer a lot. If you are going outside, kindly understand you have to keep your ego on minus. If you didn't, it will be the biggest ever enemy in your relationship. The second thing, you have to understand that there will be a lot of misunderstandings. You have to make your person understand. If you're like having arguments, or the main reason I will let you know, that don't ever fight with your partner on chats. Chat is the biggest enemy of your relationship. If you're chatting and you're saying your partner that I'm hurt, this is the thing that hurts me, blah blah, so please understand that chat will create your tone differently. Like if I'm saying my partner that I'm hurt, like my partner is in front of me, then I will be like, I'm hurt, please change. I said in different tone. And if I'm saying this on the chat, I'm hurt, please change, it will be in the rude way. That person who is reading that chat, it will be like, I'm hurt, please change, in the egoistic tone. You have to understand that the person in front of us, the person we are talking to each other right now, will be understanding more because we are having expressions, we are having tone right now, and it will be so much easier to understand that what we are trying to say, in what sense we are trying to say. But if we are on chat, there will be no tone, no expressions, nothing. That person will take it in negative way only, because chat will not give you proper solutions. Never ever. Don't ever chat. This is the biggest rule I followed till end. Right now, even with my parents, like if I'm having fights with my parents, I will never ever chat with them. Never. There will be a lot of misconceptions, a lot of misunderstandings, a lot of egoistic behavior, a lot of things. There will be like time zone issue, communication. Keep your communication clear. If you are not keeping your communication clear and accurate, it will make you suffer from daily hurt, pain, stress, anxiety, everything. If you are getting hurt, tell that person that, okay, I'm hurt. Please understand, I'm hurt. Call him, video call him. Tell that person that I am hurt. Please change. If that person is not changing, change your person. If not, if he is saying that I want to change, I will change, but he is not changing. Listen girls, listen ladies, listen everyone. If your partner is not changing, okay, what was the your first dish you cooked? Maybe it will be like something outside a dish, some salad, some Maggie, noodles, or spaghetti, or something, anything else, or omelette, or anything. It should be anything, but in first time, at least you did a bit of like mistakes in that thing, right? I did a mistake. First time you did a mistake. Second time you did better than the earlier version. Third time again best, and again best, and then you are professional right now. Same happens to the men. You have to understand, if your partner is not able to understand you, if your partner is not going, if your partner is not doing whatever you want from that person, and he is not doing or she is not doing, please understand, we are humans, not a bot. We are not AI, we are not bots. We need time to understand, we need time to rehearsal, we need time to change, we need time, a lot of time, to change our personality day by day. If I'm like in my particular personality from my childhood, right now, if my partner is be like, you have to change your egoistic behavior, you have to change your angry behavior. Okay, I said I will do it. But I took time, almost 1 year. From past 1 year, I'm trying my best, and right now I'm so professional in changing my behavior. I'm so professional in like controlling my emotions, my anger, my everything. I took time. Your partner need to be patient. If not, then you're gonna suffer. There will be no hurry that you need to change right now. No one will change right now. You have to understand that, okay, you will change according to time. Just stop. Don't force your partner. Take time. You will rehearse. You will get what you are doing wrong, and you will be like, it's a particular competition with yourself. Like right now I'm doing something, and next day I'm doing same thing, but I need to be better from the last thing I did. I need to be better from the last version I did of that particular thing, or else there will be nothing. You have to change. It's your competition. You have to compete with yourself. There are no one right now in this world right now. You are competing with yourself only. If you are saying like there are a lot of people, so I'm competing with them, no, don't do it. You will not get anything. You have to compete with yourself. Like this year gonna be completed in 2 months, and then later on you have to look at yourself, and you should be like, okay, I'm the better version from the last year, right? You'll be like, I'm changing right now. There is no hurry that you need to change right now only. Take your time, clear it out. You will change. You can't be like, I used to give that person 12 hours of the day, and right now you're giving only 1 hour. No, decrease it slowly from 12 hours, then 10 hours, then 7 hours, then 4 hours, and then 1 hour. make that person understand that okay, you are outside, you need to work, you need to go. The another reason I think from my side, menstruational phase. Females suffer a lot of phases in a month, and in 1 month we suffer 4 phases. 4 phases are totally different. In one phase we are like so happy, another phase irritation, third phase, fourth phase we will be like totally different, in anger or something. According to it, you guys have to understand that female will be getting a lot of mood swings, a lot of problems in her life. You have to convert, you have to clear it out, you have to understand that lady that okay, we are here, we will help you, we have to be the one. Because females are active in the emotional side because they are only made for the babies, to understand the babies. So you have to understand the female's 4 phases. Then another problem, I think the basic problem in the relationship comes like a family issues, a family behavior, a family environment. It actually affects a lot. Like if your family is not that much peaceful, they are so much burdening on you that you need to work, you are not working, this and that, you are not spending time on your studies, you're not spending your time somewhere else. Sometimes we just come home from the work and then they are like shouting on each other or something messy on your home, in your home, because it's a family. For real, it's a family. The biggest reason that if I'm like getting fight, if I'm in argument with my family right now, and I will be going to my partner and I will be like shouting on that person, he will be like, why are you shouting? You am I that person? Oh, alright, okay. Then it will end. Please, or it will be something like family issues. These all are the causes why we suffer from so many problems on long distance. Another reason is male ego. Male ego is like, oh, she don't want to be like with me. Alright, I will find someone else. I'm outside. Don't do it. She is depending on me. Oh, alright, I will not call her. Like, it's a genuine behavior that males be like giving you a lot of efforts from the start, and then they stop giving the same effort, and then they will like, we are having a lot of work to do, we are having a lot of things to do, so please understand that we have to control it now. We are like we achieved you. Guys, you can't be like that. You achieved a person, you achieved girl, you achieved women. You can't be like, okay, I achieved her, she is mine, I don't need to do anything right now. Don't do it. This is the worst thing. Females need to be achieved every day. Females need to be won every day. You have to win her every day. If you don't, then the person, the female, will get habitual to your behavior that you are not giving her efforts anymore, and she will get habitual, and you will be like, you are changing, you are so okay with it, you are not like loving me as you used to do. Guys, I know you love to be chased. You love to be chased from a female, but don't do it, because there will be tit for tat, vice versa. That the person, if she get habitual, that you need to suffer, you have to chase her. And some males don't chase because they are having male ego, they are having their attitude, sigma. So don't do it. If you are so much sure about your life, your person, you have to marry them, you're gonna be marrying her. She's shouting, she must be hungry, she needs food. If she is angry, there must be something phases, and there is the only way you have to keep your female down is the food. Give her food, she will be happy, you don't need to do anything. And this argument, the end. There are a lot of negative energy, there are a lot of evil eye. People are not happy with your positions, people are not happy with your success, with your love life, with your so much upgrading life. They will be not happy, they just want to destroy it. So there will be some evil eyes, there will be people who are not happy, they will be like looking at you and they will like, he got everything, okay. They will be not happy, they will be giving you a negative aura. You're gonna be like suffering from the negative aura, and the negative aura they are like applying on you. You will be having a lot of negative aura around you. You need to clear it out. Don't ever post your partner on any social media platform. Don't. Let people know that you are committed, but don't let them know that what are you doing right now with that particular partner, how it is going right now, and what you both look like. Don't ever post. Let people know that you are committed. Don't ever allow any another female or male to be get entertained from you. Don't ever do it. If you are committed, then you are committed. There's no way that you're gonna be like, okay, come, I'm not committed, you can talk to me, I'm single, keep your relationship secure. You can't be like that. You need to be clear that you are committed. That's it. People should know that you are committed. There is no another female in your life, there is no another male in your life. And this discussion. So what are the solutions? What you can do to say secure, I mean say what the hell to secure your long distance relationship? In my case, what I did, I took a break. We both are individuals. We both need break. You can't be like, oh, this and this argument, the end. Don't jump to the conclusion. Take time. Tell your partner to take space and time to understand what should we do and what are the things we need to clear. If not, then let the partner know that this is the thing that's triggering me right now. You need to change it. Only thing, clear communication. Communicate so clearly that there is nothing to be worried about. Like if you are getting hurt from the particular person you are following, tell that person, this is the thing that's hurting me. Be so open that you are saying you're gonna marry that partner, then do it. If you want to make it work, you have to tell that partner that this is hurting me. You are talking to the person is hurting me. That feeling, okay, if your partner is not blocking that person, if that partner is not hurting the person's feeling for you, saving your feeling, for securing your feeling, if your partner is not blocking that person's feeling, then the partner is not deserving. Another solution, you need to set the time. You need to set the schedule according to your partner. You have to be so much clear that I'm gonna be free on this particular time and you have to be available on that time only. We will clear the all discussions, we will clear our future goals, we will clear all the things what we did from day to night on that particular time only. If not, then send each other a recording, a voice recording, a video recording, and tell that partner that this and this happened, this and that did, and that's it. Tell that partner. This is the only thing you will be communicating, because there is no another way that you will be communicating with your partner according to your time. If you are free and the partner is not free, don't think the partner is so busy, he is not giving me time, she is not giving the efforts and all, then this. Let it be. They both got different time zones, they both got different work to do. Sometimes you should work 50-50, sometimes 80-20, sometimes 100 and 0. Because sometimes your partner will be so down that you need to be 100. If you both got 0-0, then you who gonna be like the one who motivates. You have to do it, you have to manage all the things if you are so clear that this is the only partner you want to marry. It's okay to fight, it's only the love. If you're not fighting, then there's no love. Why we fight? Because we fight when we get hurt from the person we love and the person is doing something that is hurting right now my feelings, because I am attached to him, I'm having expectations from him, I want something from him, I am so attached that the tiny thing that person gonna do will hurt me. Don't enlarge it. Don't be like we are fighting, we are not compatible. It's a normal thing. Clear all things. After fight, tell the partner that this is the itchy thing, this is what I'm getting irritated from, and tell your partner everything accordingly. The fight is with your problem, not with each other. You both are not fighting, you both are fighting from the problem, clearing things out about family, future, career, what you guys want, and the family things and all. If you are so much sure that you're gonna marry that person, you have to clear all things, because if you are in long distance, then it will be suffering. You gonna be suffer a lot. I know these all things are like bookish, this doesn't work in real life, but I would let you know that this works a lot. It will not work one day, it will not work 1 week or 1 month, but at least one day it will work, right? You have to follow it. One day this all things will work. You have to be strong together. If you are so sure about your partner, you have to be strong as much as you can. The normal relationship, the person who are so close right now, who are not in long distance, who are in the normal relationship, they're gonna suffer the problems they're gonna suffer in 4 years will be the problems you in long distance person gonna suffer in 6 months only. In 4 years these problems gonna be the same in the long distance, but in 6 months only. So once you are done with the long distance, if you're coming together, if you are coming for the living, and if you're coming for like each other, if you're coming after so long, you both gonna be so much stronger than the normal relationship that you can't even imagine. There's not a single thing that will end it. There's nothing that will literally stop your boundaries. You got all the energy at the time. You will be like, okay, I do this, it's gonna suffer. It will be like, she gonna get hurt. If this, okay, you will be so much clear because you did the long distance without like face-to-face interactions. You will be understanding your partner so much that now, right now, if they are in front of you, you will be so much confident, so much professional in this, that there will be nothing that will end your relationship. If there's any another doubt, please comment. I will be understanding, I will be clearing it out in the next video. And the next video will be about the affirmations for the female. That females, you need to do what I say. You need to understand that you are the valuable thing. If your partner is not valuing you, why are you staying there? I will be creating another video on females only.